There's a boom for AI automation agencies, and I'll tell you how you can build AI chatbots without coding to build AI solutions for them and get paid. I have around 265,000 students on Udemy, and these are the integrations: Shopify, WordPress, Wix, Make, Zapier. So you just have to start a free trial. You can just start the free trial and get right into it. There's a boom for AI automation agencies, and if you want to start your own, this video is for you, because in this video you are going to learn how to start an AI automation agency. And basically this is a complete agency business course, and this is not a basic video. In this video I'll tell you from A to Z, from the idea to implementation to revenue. First of all, I'll tell you the introduction. This is the introduction. I'll tell you about what AI automation agency is, what it does, etc, etc. Then I'll tell you how you can build AI chatbots without coding. You can do Slack, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger integration, Google Calendar integration. You can train that chatbot on websites, documents, sheets, text, etc without coding. And at the end I'll tell you how you can find clients for your AI automation agency. For these sort of education, people charge around $100-$200 per month for a cohort or a community or that type of courses. But I would be providing you the complete information for free. So let's just get right into the video and learn more about it. So first of all, let's just talk about the process, how we would be doing this, how this agency works, and what's the process. I'll give you a brief introduction of, or not brief, but a summarized introduction of this process. So first of all, what you would do is you would find and reach out to potential clients looking for AI automations. It can be real estate agents, law firms, travel agencies, coaches, and entrepreneurs, etc, who just want an AI chatbot to solve their problems, or corporates who just want internal AI tools. Then you just have to reach out to them and offer them AI chatbot development services, so that and to reduce their costs and services. And then after they agree to it, after they agree to get into your service, sign up for your service, then you have to build AI solutions for them and get paid. So this is AI automation agency, and this is how it works. You first of all find client, then you just offer them a solution, and then you just build them a solution and you get paid for this service. So let's just move on to the next part, in which we would be building our AI chatbot without coding. And then at the end I'll teach you how you can find clients for those chatbot services. As now it's time to learn how to build the chatbots, and this is the second step of this video. There are several tools, but in this video I am going to use ResolveAI, ResolveAI.co, and I am using this tool because I recently created a course on ResolveAI, and the link is in description. Because if you don't know about me, let me just tell you, I have around 265,000 students on Udemy, and if you want to be the part of that community, the link is in description. You can go there and enroll into the complete chatbot development course as well. Okay, so this is the tool. This is the tool that we are going to use to build the AI chatbot for us. This is their product, and we can use it for marketing, support, sales, and workflow automation. There are several automation things we can do with this chatbot, and like there are several features. Like we can connect it with like Slack, WhatsApp. We can book meetings, we can connect it with calendar, and there are several other integrations as well. So, and these are its pricing plans starting from $9 per month only. And these are the integrations: Shopify, WordPress, Wix, Make, Zapier, Google Drive, WhatsApp, Meta, Slack, etc. And you can explore all integrations as well. And this is the tool basically. Okay, so you just have to start a free trial. You can just start the free trial and get right into it. I am already signed into it, and I am into the pro subscription. And now it's time to build the AI chatbot. And to build the AI chatbot, what we have to do is we have to go to chatbots. But before that, let me just tell you, let me go back. I'll go into tutorials. And if you need help with anything, how to use it, because I won't be able to teach you each and everything, and not all of you would enroll into my course. So what you can do is you can go to tutorials, and all the complex tutorials like integrations, chatbot training, creating API tools, and CMS setup, and other tutorials are here in this docs, resolveai.co/docs, or you can just go to this tutorials. So if you need any, you have any problem and you just want to solve that problem, you can go to that link in tutorials. Okay. I'll tell you the basics, but then you can proceed further. And if you want more advanced things, then you can do it with this tutorials thing. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll hit create new chatbot. Now I want to create a chatbot for my website, and I'll hit and name it as Khadeen Akbar. And now there are two things. First one is chatbot that would answer customer queries. It can be for sales, it can be for customer support, like customer support bot, like this one. But there is an AI agent for that, for you as well. And this AI agent can book meetings for you. This AI agent can tell you weather conditions. In the course I built it, this one AI weather agent, so that you can connect the APIs, and you can create an API tool that can solve your internal problems. Or what you can do is, let's say you have a CRM and you want user data, you can do it. And there are several things that you can do it with AI assistant. But right now what we want is we want to build an AI chatbot. So I'll select this one and I'll hit continue. And here you go, here we are. Now, first of all, we have AI chatbot type, chatbot or AI assistant. Now, when it is chatbot, there would be a persona. It is here I can add my name, and here I can add my personality. I am CEO of the company and I have to answer this way. But when I select AI assistant, then here would be tool API tools. Now I have these two API tools right now: 5 days weather forecast, and find location key by city name. If I select these two tools, I'll ask what's the weather in California right now, or what's 5 days or 15 days weather forecast for California or any other city, it would tell me. Okay. So I'll select chatbot. Then I have to change chatbot UI. First of all, the brand image, the avatar, and in avatar I'll put this image. Then here I don't want image, I want a color, and that color would be this one. Okay. And then header, Khadeen Akbar, and then subheader, ask me anything. And then you can keep the other settings as it is. Then you have trained sources. I'll tell you about trained sources and how to train these sources. Right now we already have the list. Okay. Then we have notifications. If you want notifications for live agent requests, like if some AI didn't solve the query and you want live agent to respond, you can just enable it. And then you have several other settings like receive. If you want to receive chat transcripts, include summary, or include unresolved requests as well, or you only want unresolved request. Then you have some interactions settings, like if you want to require the name and email for the chat, so that you can generate the leads. I'll disable it for right now, but it is most important thing and you should enable it. Then if you want to collect the chat feedback, I'll recommend you to enable both these. And then these are the messages. If you want to customize those, you can customize it. Then AI tuning, what style you want, what model you want. Then answer style should be short. Then creativity should be low, medium, or high. Let's say I'll keep medium. Then the brand settings, here I have to add my company name, and here I have to add my business website. Okay. Then the persona, as I told you, you are CEO of Webified, oh sorry, SaaSpedia, and answer all those queries as a CEO. Okay. And that's all. Now it's time to train our chatbot on several sources. All the settings are done. Now we have to train our chatbot basically. So I just paused the video and delete all the trained sources. Now we don't have any source. Now to add these training sources, we have to go to training center, and here we have to select web first of all. If you want to train this chatbot on our website, then I'll add my website link and I'll hit fetch pages. It would fetch all the pages from my website, and then I can select on which pages I want to train my chatbot. So the chatbot would have all the information on from those pages. Blog, this one, submit your SaaS SEO agency, growth kit, launch kit, and that's all. Now I'll hit import, and it would import. Okay, then we have several other options, like we can write something. If you want to train chatbot on text, you can do it. Then you have file, you can upload the files, books, or whatever files you want. You can train the chatbot on that as well. Files should be PDF, docx, or CSV. Okay, and after that, you also have external sources. Here you can connect your Google Sheets, let's say your client list or whatever type of sheet you want to share. You can connect to Google Sheets so that you can grab the data from that Google Sheet live on the live basis as well. Like let's say you have a CRM on Google Sheets and you want to get client data, or you have some other resources on Google Sheet and you want answers from that Google Sheet, then you can get it. Okay, you also have a how to guide on how to just do this integration, so you can watch this how to guide and you can just integrate this as well. The Google Sheet should be public. Enter the name and hit save, or let's say let me add this. Okay, so outreach, and then hit save. Here you go. We just edit the sheet and it would take some time and it would get indexed there. After that, we'll go to chatbots, we'll hit edit, and it would take us to this thing. Here we have to train our chatbot on the resources, and here I want to train this chatbot on this one as well. And from here, I'll from interactions, I'll remove this one because it takes too much time while testing. Now I'll ask this, what do you know about SaaSpedia? Let's just check the knowledge of the chatbot. I'm just testing it out. Okay, so see here, you can see we got all these. Okay, so you can ask any question. I want to grow my SaaSpedia is basically SaaS marketing agency, so that's why I'm asking questions related to SaaS. Okay, so here you go, and it's answering the questions, and here you can see. Okay, now we'll have to publish the chatbot on our website. There are three ways: WordPress, embed chat, and add chat widget. You can copy this code and put into your custom website, or if you have WordPress website, then you have a WordPress plugin as well, and I'll tell you that as well. But before that, let me just tell you about integrations. So you have 4 integrations right now: Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp, Slack, and Google Calendar. It take too much time. If you want detailed guide on it, obviously you can enroll into course. I'm not selling it, I'm just telling you, if you want it, you can enroll into it. Or here you have tutorials for free. You have 4 integration tutorials for free. You can integrate your calendar, your Slack, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp, and you can do it. But I don't want to make this lecture long. Okay, now it's time to put our chatbot on our website. So go to WordPress. My website is WordPress website. Just go to this WordPress plugin. Now what I'll do is I'll go to my website. Here you go, plugins. Now I'll hit add new, and I can search here in repository as well, ResolveAI. Then I have to hit install now. And after that, I have to hit activate. After hitting activate, it would take us here. Now I'll go to settings, and here I have to put in my key. It's already there because I already pasted it here, and I have to save it. After pasting it, then I have to go to floating widgets, and here I can select on which content types I want to show my chatbot, and then I have to hit save. Then I'll just clear purge all the cache. After that, I'll visit my website and let's see if it works or not. So let's just wait. Because it loads after the whole like JavaScript is loaded. And here we go. We just got it. And here you can ask this chatbot any questions, and this chatbot would answer all your questions. This is how you build the chatbot. You integrate it in the website of yours. You just train it, and that's all. How you can do it with the help of this ResolveAI.co. The link to it is in description. The discount link, etc., etc., everything would be in description. You can get right into it and learn more about it. But now it's time to learn how to find clients for your business. And when we talk about agency process, the first thing is finding clients, the client hunting strategies. And there are three major strategies that we are going to apply in our AI automation agency. Even I am running multiple agency businesses, and I am utilizing this strategy for all these three strategies for all my businesses. And these strategies are hand vetted, tested by me. And also I forgot to tell you that in description you can find the link to the video about how to find clients, my three secret strategies, and you can watch that whole video if you want to learn more about client acquisition, how I just use these client hunting strategies. Okay, so these are the three ways to find the clients for your AI automation agency. First one is cold emails and cold DMs, and third one is cold calling. So when we talk about cold emails, what we say is, what we'll do is we'll find the cold emails for we'll find the email addresses of the prospects like real estate agencies, accountants, whatever we want to target, and then we'll send them the cold emails. There's a complete infrastructure involved in it, and you can learn about that infrastructure in my further videos about cold emails or finding clients. You would have to grab the multiple email accounts, and then you would send the emails from via a cold email software like Reach Inbox, etc., etc., and I'll cover it in the next slide. Then the next thing is cold DMs, where you scrap the social media accounts like Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter accounts using the help of softwares of specific people, and then you send them the messages, okay, about your service. Then it's cold calling, where you scrap the numbers of the prospects and then you reach out to them via the cold calls. And it's AI sales. There's AI involved in it, so there are softwares on which you have to train your bot on your business, and then that software would call the prospects and book the meetings with you and sort of stuff. Okay, so what are the softwares required for this? First of all, for the cold emails, you need these three softwares: cold email softwares, and then you need lead generation softwares, and then you need email setup softwares. When we talk about cold email softwares, it's Reach Inbox AI to send the cold emails, and it's recommended. I use it. So you can, all the links are in description. You can get the discounted links in description. Okay. So first one is for the cold email softwares. First one is Reach Inbox AI, and the second one is Salesforce. I haven't used it, but I saw a lot of positive reviews for it, so you can just test it out if you think it's good for you. And then the next one is Sales Handy. All the links are in description. For both the Salesforce and Sales Handy, I haven't used those. I have to be honest, but I have saw good reviews about it, so I just recommended it to you. But if you are looking for something affordable, something amazing, then Reach Inbox is the best option. Then If we talk about lead generation softwares, there are two softwares. First one is LeadSwift, second one is UpLead, third one is Lead Sniper. These are the three. The links are in description. I have used LeadSwift myself. I'm using it, but UpLead obviously have good reviews, so that's why I mentioned it here. Then the email setup softwares. So when you manually set up multiple emails, because if you want to send 1,000 emails per day, you would need 30 email accounts. And to set up those 30 email accounts, it would take a lot of time. If you would hire someone, that would cost you a lot of money. So that's why there are email infrastructure setup softwares, which includes Zapmail, which is the most affordable one. I'm currently using it. Then the second one is ColdSire. Both of these help you set up the Gsuite and Outlook accounts for better deliverability, so that your email don't go to spam. And these are amazing softwares. But if you want to set up private infrastructure on your own hosting, then it's Inframail, recommended one. I use it. Then InfraForge and MailForge. Both these have good reviews, but I haven't used these. Okay. Then the cold email softwares. When we talk about cold email softwares, there are three types of cold email softwares that I use and I do: LinkedIn outreach, Twitter outreach, and Instagram outreach. When we talk about LinkedIn outreach, it's Expandy and Kenji AI. Okay, I use Expandy myself. I recommend it, and it's amazing. But if you want another option, then Kenji AI. Like, I researched about it, and Google told me that this is a good software. That's why I'm recommended it to you. But Expandy is my most favorite. Okay. Then ReachOwl for Instagram DMs. ReachOwl is one of my favorite softwares. It's of one of my friends. ReachOwl is amazing software for Instagram cold DM outreach, and like, it would scrap the profiles and send the messages to the clients about your service. Okay, itself on automation. Then for Twitter, it's the one and only Drippy AI. It's amazing software, and you must use it for because you would get best agency clients from Twitter, and you can use Drippy AI to get clients from Twitter. And this is how you just get clients for your AI automation agency. I have listed all the softwares in the description, and also I have added the link to the playlist in which I have shared how to find clients, and also the video about how to find clients with the 3 strategies that I have shared with you. So or if you want to learn more, then you have that course. The link is in description. You can check that course out as well. And that was all about this lecture, this video, this tutorial, this course, this masterclass. I'll see you in any other video. And also, if you have any questions, ask me in comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.